Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. This is e-commerce series part 8. In previous part of e-commerce series, we studied process of EDI, types of EDI, EDI over internet, as well as advantages and disadvantages of EDI. To get a complete idea about e-commerce, please go through my previous videos on e-commerce series. If you have not watched them, the links of all parts of e-commerce series are available in the description. In this part, we cover e-commerce solutions, careers in e-commerce, and payment gateway. Watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe Let's Try channel. E-commerce solutions. E-commerce solutions. E-commerce solutions means a software system that conducts business electronically. It is simply an enterprise software system or business application for automatic management and transaction of business data. It is also known as e-commerce platform. These can be standalone applications which are installed on a company's computer system or web applications. Those are accessed through World Wide Web. E-commerce solutions are able to perform sales, purchase, marketing, delivery and billing activities automatically and effectively on behalf of a company. Some companies integrate the e-commerce platform with their enterprise resource planning software system. Several specialized as well as one-in-all kinds of business applications are available. To name a few, PayPal, Shopify, Google Suite, Google Analytics, EasyPost, and so on. Let us know the difference between ERP and e-commerce platform. ERP has larger scope that covers procurement, supply chain management, warehousing, inventory management, product development, customer relationship management, supplier management, finance, accounting, and human resources. It is not directly connected to customers. EC platform has limited scope that performs sales, purchase, marketing, delivery, and billing activities automatically on behalf of a company. It is a subpart of ERP. It is directly connected to customers. ERP performs production planning and control activity. This helps in MRP, Material Requirements Planning, and MRP2, Manufacturing Resource Planning. The main objective of EC platform is to provide automatic exchange of business documents such as purchase order between trading partners. Examples of ERP are NetSuite, Scoro, Brahmin Solutions, Odoo, Syspro, Vienna Advantage, SAP ERP, etc. Examples of EC platform are PayPal, Shopify, Google Suite, Google Analytics, EasyPost, etc. This page shows the examples of some e-commerce solutions. Apart from these, industry giants like Microsoft, IBM, Hewlett-Packard, Oracle, Broadvision, Amazon, FirstSource, Commerce One, Blue Martini Software, BigCommerce, SAP, etc. are leading in providing e-commerce solutions from large to small enterprises. Let us know the job of e-commerce solutions or platforms. Designing, developing, publishing and operating e-commerce website on World Wide Web. Integrating inventory and shipping with the firm's website. Integrating e-commerce with ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning System. Providing product catalog, filtering of product, searching for intended product and shopping cart. Providing value-added network services so that trading partners can deal with security and legal issues of e-commerce. Making provision for online payment modes and payment gateways. Linking the discounts, offers and gifts with products such as 0% EMI and credit card discounts. Providing security solutions for e-payments and commercial document transfers. providing authenticity and authorization for customers and suppliers, acknowledging customers at pre-sales, on-sales, and post-sales, allowing customers to write, comment, give feedback, and use helpline, confirming successful payments and providing invoices and receipts, solving issues related to payments deducted but order not confirmed, allowing customer for product tracking upon dispatch, reading the buying behavior and product searching patterns of customers visiting our website, tracking and analyzing the web traffic for our e-commerce website, allowing companies to make provision for taxation to the authorities. Careers in e-commerce. Can you be part of e-commerce? Yes, definitely. You can be part of e-commerce as a seller, buyer, supplier, or middleman. You can take part in it as a technical support person, managing the networks, databases, and providing security to the financial data. Also providing merchant service through payment gateway. You can also get involved in it as a web designer, content developer, marketing coordinator, and logistics provider. You can be an employee in noted e-commerce solution companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, HP, etc. Let us understand payment gateway. Payment gateway. Payment gateway is an online payment technology that connects customers' bank account with a merchant's e-commerce platform and facilitates secure online money payment. Payment gateway is a part of electronic payment processing system that facilitates merchants to accept payments from its customers using different modes of payment such as debit card, credit card, e-wallet, net banking, UPI, that is Unified Payments Interface using mobile platform, etc. Payment gateway acts as a third party that securely transfers customers' money from his or her bank account to the merchant's payment portal. Payment gateway can be used in both physical and online stores. In case of physical stores like supermarkets, fuel stations, or even vegetable vendors, payment gateways consist of a point of sale POS device that reads customers' debit or credit card and makes payment to the proprietor. The POS can also use phone for making online payments. In online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., the websites connect to the payment gateway portal called checkout page when customers click Buy Now button after selecting a product. This frame shows the checkout page of popular e-commerce company Flipkart. Observe different payment options provided for the consumers. Let us know the working of payment gateway. First, consider when customer buys products physically visiting the stores. In step 1, customer visits a shop physically, picks up item from the shelves, places in the cart, and reaches the billing counter. In step number 2, customer gives his or her payment card, that is debit or credit, to the billing person or scans the QR code through his or her mobile payment app. If it is payment card, the billing person inserts it into POS machine. The payment gateway interface is displayed on shopkeeper's computer. In third step, customer authenticates the payment using the personal identification number PIN. The payment gateway connects card details to the customer's bank account and seeks for approval. In the last step, the customer's bank software checks whether he or she is its own customer and has sufficient balance in the account. In case of credit, it checks the credit limit. If the bank replies no to the payment gateway, the customer will be notified as payment unsuccessful. If it accepts, then the bank pays to the shopkeeper's account. Let us see the working of payment gateway when customer buys products online using mobile phone or computer. In step 1, customer visits a commercial website and selects product from the catalog and clicks Buy button. He or she fills delivery or shipping address details and moves to the order summary to see the ordered product price and discount information. In step number 2, he or she moves to payment options or checkout page. This is the payment gateway interface. The primary reason to use payment gateway is to secure the monetary transactions and facilitate easy online payments. In the third step, he or she selects a payment method, that is UPI, credit card, debit card, net banking, etc. Customer authenticates the payment by PIN or OTP. The payment gateway connects the card details to the payment network and then to customer's bank account and seeks for approval. In the last step, the customer's bank software checks whether he or she is its own customer and has sufficient balance in the account. In case of credit card, it checks the credit limit. If the bank replies no to the payment gateway, the customer will be notified as payment unsuccessful. If it accepts, then the bank pays to the online store's account through payment gateway. Note that it takes some time to settle the payments from gateway to the merchant account. This page graphically illustrates the working of payment gateway. This page graphically illustrates how electronic payment gateway technically completes the transaction. Let us list the examples of payment gateways. Examples: PayPal, Stripe, WorldPay, CC Avenue, PayUmoney, Instamozo, Razorpay, etc. Examples of merchant account providers: First Data Merchant Services, WorldPay, UTP, etc. You can register in the payment gateway portal as a merchant or a customer. For this, you need bank account, PAN card, Aadhaar card, etc. These are some examples of payment gateways. Let us know about payment processors or payment operators. Payment processors are the payment cards that facilitate online payments by a customer to a merchant or a department like insurance. Today, most banks provide online deposits, withdrawals, and transfers of money. This is possible by payment processors that are also known as payment operators or payment service providers. These are dedicated online payment processing companies such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, RuPay, etc. These provide an electronic medium of exchange, replacing the traditional currencies and coins. When a customer wants to pay online, these providers connect to customer's account through payment gateway and validate the transaction. Payment gateway acts as secure transferee of financial data. These are the examples of payment processors or payment operators. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.